Did anyone tell you how easy it is to make coconut oil? Because I know you see those prices rising in the grocery store, so it is time to start making sense of it all. When you want to open a mature coconut, you can use a metal straw instead of a dagger and just tap on the three dots on the shell. Those are the softest access points to drain the water out. Then you can use a hammer or just knock it against something hard to break it open. Next, you take a dull knife and wedge it between the coconut shell and its white fiber. Now pour your coconut milk into a jar with a lid. Now this is going to go into the fridge until it creates two solid layers. One's going to be the water and one's going to be the oils. And that's it. Thanks for watching.